Okay, so you've just bought your reMarkable, and is that straight? Let's see. Can't see if it's straight. You've just bought your reMarkable, and you want to know what can you do on it. So I'm going to go through a few basic things for you. Let us just grab a new page. Let's clear the clipboard so we don't there it is. So basically what we're gonna, now I just want to check that I'm writing in black, medium, and I've got my calligraphy pen. Hello. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about what you can do with your reMarkable. You can basically, this reMarkable is electronic. Think of it as electronic paper. You see, when I do things, it communicates. So let's split it up into two areas today. You can basically write on your own documents, or you can write on someone else's documents. You can create your own here, and these ones are already given to you. You've accessed them somehow, somewhere. So you can do things on here with these, and you can also make some and also do things on here with yours. So I've broken it down into 3 areas for you, so that you, just to make life a little easier, you can just think through this. We're going to go lists, notes, and meetings. Again, this is not an exhaustive list, it's just to give you an idea. We're going to go PDFs, minutes, it's just an example, and work documents. All right, so what can you do on your reMarkable now that you've got it? You can, let's talk about your own, creating your own documents and having your own documents here first of all. You can create lists. So we are already in the facility to do that. reMarkable has something called quick sheets, and this is like, it's like sticky notes, but it can have many, many pages, and you can then turn it into a workbook. These are all quick sheets that I've turned into a notebook. So I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can write on your reMarkable. There's the notebook, and then there's quick sheets. So let's do quick sheets first. Let's say you want to add a quick sheet. There it is. It's a brand new document. When we go to the big view, oh, it added a sheet. What did it do? It's added a sheet into my quick sheets. Okay. Let us use, let me go. Yeah, that's my document. Sorry. I thought it was a different document that I had open there. I thought this was in another folder. Okay. So when you tap, when you're out in your main screen, this quick sheets here, which comes default with your device, you can't ever get rid of it. It always stays on here. If you have no other documents here, you will always have this one. And when you click on that icon, it puts a new sheet into this particular, let's call it this quick sheets. But as I told you, you can duplicate this up here. You can see your options. Press for a couple of seconds. you can duplicate it. It automatically puts it on your home screen and it calls it copy. But this is the one you can move into any folder that you want. You can move this one. Okay, so for the sake of it, I'm going to press and hold. I'm going to move, and then it's going to ask me to select. So for now, I'm going to put it in work, and I'm just going to put it here on the main desktop just to show you. This is my work desktop, and then now you can see Quick Sheets copy. It's in there. So that's the way that you can move Quick Sheets to other, you can duplicate it and move it to other folders. This original, you can't ever move. Even if you don't use it, you can't move it. It's there to stay. Whoops. So to write lists, if we're back in our, let's go back a page. What I might do so that I don't have to keep doing that is move it all over. So you know this is the select tool. Let's just make it a wee bit smaller. Let's just move it over there, and then it doesn't matter whether the menu's open or shut, we can all see what's going on. All right, and now I want to click out of it. So we're just looking in this video, what can we do with our reMarkable 2 now that we've just got it? We're brand new. We are looking at how we can write, and the best 2 ways I've thought of to split it up for you is you can write on your own documents, and then you can write on someone else's documents. And so we're going to make a list now, and then we're going to use templates for notes, and then I'm going to show you how to write your own notes for a meeting. Okay, so let's go out of this document and just say, okay, I need to make a quick list. Let's go tap Quick Sheets. It is putting a sheet of paper in that default Quick Sheets. So here's my list. I need 1, 2, 3, 4 things. I've got to do this, 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 and this. List done. Here it is here. It added a page into my Quick Sheets document. You can see that there. So that's that one. Done that one. Notes. Now, what I want to do is show you how to use a notebook because we want to access the templates. Now, the word template, I just want to explain this to you. Before I create that, let me just write this for you. It is important, the definition of the word template, the reMarkable definition, equals a PNG file. And that's really important to know because you can get really confused if it is not a PDF file. I know we call the PDFs templates, but reMarkable calls the word template equals a PNG file for reMarkable. And those PNG files are here. So when you get into notebooks, these here are PNG files that in another video you can talk about how you can install your own on here. And you know, that's probably an intermediate or advanced function. It's not so much a beginner, but we'll still make a video on it. These are PNG files that are in the, you know, the iOS of, well, it's not iOS, but in the software of reMarkable, that's what they provide here. And there is a way to add your own style sheet that you want. But when you do update your device, it will take that style sheet away. You will need to upload it again because what it does, it resets all of these templates, which are PNG files. It resets them back to this here. So the second way is to make notes in a notebook. So let's go Cornell because I love Cornell. We're going to call it Notebook 8. And you have what reMarkable call a template or a PNG file. And just to explain that to you, when you look at layers, you can see here, don't worry about the bottom one, the template, the PNG file, that is the bottom of, if you thought of it sideways, there's the template, and then above that is what it calls layer 1, and that is where you write. So we write on layer 1. And you can add layers. There is a video on how to do layers. See layer 2 now? If I was to, thank you, hop off there. If I was to change to grey thick, and I was to go right on layer 1, what you can do is you can stop seeing layer 2, and you can see, all you can see is the black, or you can choose to see layer 2. And yeah, but we're not doing layers in this video. What's important is that you take notes. So notes, and I'm going to go back to my black because it's easier for you guys to see. This is how we take notes. So when we go back into quick sheets, and you can see it's synchronizing here and here. It does take time. You do need to count in your head if it's annoying you or frustrating you, because it just takes time to get this done. So back to our list that we're working through. You can write for your own documents. You can create a list in quick sheets. You can create notes in the templates, which look, they are like style sheets in Word, if that helps understand it, but they are PNG files. And then there's the option of writing on your own document that you might have. I have an example of that. I've got a weekly planner, did it tap, and in here okay, we're in the meeting minutes. If we go back to the index, these are all, this is a PDF file of my own that I made. Okay, I actually sell it in my Etsy shop. But you can go to any day and you can write, if you have the pen, like that. This is how you can, this is how you can write in your own document, right? And you can make your own documents up on Word, on PowerPoint, save them as a PDF, and then use the reMarkable app. There's 7 different ways you can upload to your reMarkable app. That's another video. And so, yeah, if we go to the business pages and we go to the meeting minutes, you can make notes and write here. And so, again, what can you do now that you've got your reMarkable? You can upload any PDF at all of your choosing that you create, shopping lists, grocery lists, work, team meeting, note, minute outlines, style sheets, pro formas, client, scheduling, schedules, planners, journals. You can upload them all. All right, so just to tidy up, I'm going to erase the whole page. That's really cool. I'm going to go back to the main menu. Then I'm going to exit. When you press it twice, it goes into the search function. All right, so I'm going to, just to keep it all clean, I'm going to delete that because we've showed you that. And we're going to go back into quick sheets. And we've done that. So you can write on your own documents, lists, notes, meetings. Or you can write on a third-party document that someone else gives you. So I have showed you this, but I will do one more. Let's do, so PDFs. So let me show you a journal. Okay, here's a journal here. how to manage your emotions at work, you know, when it all gets too much. You can, this is a PDF. So this is a third-party document that you've gotten from somewhere else. You've uploaded it through one of 7 different ways. And then you've gone, okay, let me have a read. And then let me now start to write. And so now you can write all the things you want to write in your third-party PDF. Okay, if it's not a personal journal, again, I'm just going to erase the whole page, go out. If it's not a personal journal, it might be some meeting minutes or a work document, which I could go back into the planner, but I think we've already done that. Yeah, you can go into, this is dark mode. Have you ever used a dark mode planner? It's pretty cool, I must say. Gestures. I'm playing around with the different amount of black that there is so far. So you can write here, and what you can see, that's medium, that is medium stroke. And what, oh no, it's thin. I was going to say, just, now let me just hang on a minute. Yeah, medium. It still doesn't look, that's because it's the wrong pen. I'm not sure why it changed. It must have remembered what I was in last time. Oh, here we go. That's the one I normally write with. And you can see that's pretty cool, and it really helps my eyes. I like dark mode because it really helps my eyes. So this is a third-party PDF as well. You can obviously get this on Etsy, and you can write all your bits here. So let's go back to our list, go back to the main desk, home screen, quick sheets. It'll put you in the last page you were in if you have the setting turned on for that. So we looked at how we can do lists, notes, and meetings on our own documents, and now in third-party documents, we've done journals, planners, minutes documents the same. So if you are sent some board meeting minutes, say, you can upload them onto here through your reMarkable app or many other ways. Log into reMarkable.com, use it that way if you want. You can connect via cable. You know, there's quite a few ways, and then you can also write on all of those. So I annotate PDFs all the time. When I'm making notes, I will just upload it from my third party and go for it like that. So that is what you can do with your reMarkable now that you've got it. The planning aspect of it, if you're a planner like me, it's amazing because it's uninterrupted. You know, I mean, I love being connected when I want to be connected, but when I don't want to be connected and I need to focus, this is amazing. So that's what you can do. Please ask any questions you have below in the comments. I'm happy to answer, and if I need to make a video for you, I'm happy to do that. I'd love some support. Like and subscribe. Support's always appreciated. And come and visit me at my Etsy shop. It's called Wholehearted Me. Okay, bye.